My picture says to keep the wheels and turn this into a cloud, but it's... No! Is it gonna work like this? Okay, so this is the artwork that I created just before the one that I shared last week. And the idea came because I saw these people like playing with clouds and like incorporating them as the foreground image. And I was like, I can do that. I think I could do like a really cool idea. And I thought last week's one was slightly more aesthetically pleasing than this one. But oh, spoiler, I'm in the future recording back in time. But like that's the idea for this artwork. Alright, I'm looking for my bike screen. Loud. I'm also doing this one really fast today. I want to finish all these artworks. So, 1 hour. Okay. Delete. Yeah, keep that. My picture says to keep the wheels and turn this into a cloud, but is that boring? This is not a Honda anymore. Okay, looks a bit weird, but let's see. Also looks weird. Alright, I want these clouds. Okay, if I play with the colors, it's gonna look good. Orange, blue. Alright, let's make this a bit more bikey. Without ruining it. Alright. Yep. I want a bunch of birds. To spit out from the exhaust. No. What is that? An eclipse? Okay, I think I got the gist of this. Alright. Oh, I forgot the light. Is it gonna work like this? No. Invisible lady. You can't see it, but I put green lights. Alright, that doesn't look as lame as I thought it would. Now that they're both shared, I don't know which one I like more. Like, the first one makes sense to someone who doesn't know what they're gonna see. But the second one, it's kind of like, I like it. Maybe it's the colors. I don't know. There's a still image of the artwork on my website, which is linked below. And then there's a time lapse. If like you people that are interested in Photoshop just want to like really slow it down and pause and see what's going on there on my time lapse channel. So check that out. Throw a like since you came this far. That would be really helpful. I'm trying to grow this channel.